welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by as usual. So I'm going to show you a very quick and easy meal that you can whip up any time of the week, something very simple. So if you want to see what I mean, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you to all my new subscribers. I cannot forget about you guys, and thank you so much for all of your support. And don't forget to click on that bell notification just in case when I do drop a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So no talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So this cheese ravioli dinner, it's so easy to make. You can whip it up in no time, which makes it the perfect weeknight dinner. So over medium heat, I'm going to warm up 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now I'm going to add 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms. You can use button mushrooms or cremini, whichever ones you like. I also like to keep some sun-dried tomatoes in my pantry. I love these. They go so well with so many different dishes. So yeah, I'm gonna add 7 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes to the mushrooms. And I'm just gonna cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mushrooms become nice and tender. So of course, any opportunity to add some spinach to a recipe, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 to 4 big handfuls of some fresh spinach. And of course, just allow the heat to cook the spinach until it's completely wilted down. So now it's time to add some more flavors. So off camera, I chopped 3 garlic cloves, and I'm gonna add that in. I have a half a teaspoon of some red pepper flakes for a little heat. And I'm gonna season it up with some sea salt and some black pepper. And just grab a spoon and just continue to saute all of your vegetables. And you guys, this is basically done. Look at all those beautiful colors. And you just wanna let this sit over low heat. And now let's get started on the ravioli. So these are the cheese raviolis that I'm going to use. You can find it at most frozen sections of the grocery store. And I've already boiled some water, and I'm going to season it with some sea salt just to give it some flavor. And you just go ahead and add the ravioli to the boiling water. And that's pretty much it. Pasta doesn't take a whole lot of time to cook. All you have to do is just read the directions on the bag. And this is going to take around 9 minutes to cook. Or al dente, to the bite. You definitely don't want your pasta to be too mushy. And once your ravioli is done cooking, all you have to do is just go ahead and add it to your already cooked vegetables. And now I'm just going to grab a spoon and just toss the ravioli and the sauteed vegetables together. And at the very end, I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil on top. And I'm also going to sprinkle some sea salt and some black pepper just to make sure that it's absolutely delicious. And that's it, you guys. Only thing left to do is to serve it up and eat and enjoy, and make sure to enjoy it while it's nice and hot. And if you need something quick and easy to make during the week, this recipe, it is perfect. But we are done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It will help my channel out a whole lot. Share this recipe with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram. Take a picture, I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.